Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing a makeup brush set. I'm not sure how many's in this kit, but we'll count and figure it out together. I did take one of the beauty blenders out and I moistened it so that I can apply my foundation. I'm actually going to show you guys how these perform. So I'm going to do like a fast forward. So it does come with two different makeup sponges. They both are this size when you get it, but once you wet them, they pretty much double in size. They are quite soft. It kind of reminds me of the L'Oreal face sponge. It feels exactly like that one. So it comes with that. It comes with a little carrying, like a mesh carrying case to carry them in, which is really nice. And then it comes with your hair clips to keep your hair back, which I've always wanted one of these. Just so when I'm doing my makeup, it just keeps it from getting in your face and from getting creased, which I kind of have my hair pulled up, so I really don't need it. It also came with this, which is pretty cool. I've already used it. I was playing with it the other day, but it's for like smoking out your eyeshadow and stuff, so you don't get it down. You can do your liner. And I like to use it when I'm putting foundation and stuff on so I don't get it on my lashes. So it's really good for that. Okay, so it comes with those four things, and then these are the brushes themselves. Let me go ahead and take them out of their wrappers so it'll be a lot quicker. Okay, so it does come with 16 brushes. The quality seems pretty good. I do like this one right here. They are numbered. It's a BS Mall, M-A-L-L. They all say the same thing, so that's just the name of the brand, so they are not numbered. But it's one with a flat. That'd be really good for like putting powder underneath your eyes. So it comes with this blending brush right here, which is really good for just like blending out a crease shadow. It has more of like a blush brush for like all over the face. You can put powder or you can just put blush with that one. They have a more tapered, you can see the difference. This one's like a little more tapered, which I like to brush off my shadow with those. Or you can use it for blush or contouring. That'd be a really good contour brush. They have this one, which is probably a foundation brush. I like mine to be a little more dense, like maybe about this long, because the more dense it is, the less product that it actually absorbs. But this would probably be still fine. It's just going to absorb a little more foundation. And then they have this right here, which is also good for like underneath the eyes or just getting like really precise areas. Maybe if you want to contour something. They have a brow brush. I use this to do my brows. So that looks pretty nice. Another brush. This is more for like patting on eyeshadow, like in just a specific area. This is like a concealer brush, so you can use it to like just sharpen up your brows, put some concealer in a specific area. And then you have this one right here, which is more like precision. Like if you want to get like an eyeshadow right there, you can do concealer with this as well. There's a dome brush, like smoking out your eyeshadow or putting some shadow underneath your eyes. This is a lip pencil to put on lipstick. Then you have your eyeliner brush, foundation brush if you want to apply your foundation with this type of foundation brush. And then you have a angled brush, which is really good for just like buffing out, just for like really blending in your eyeshadows together. And this one's more like a dome to get more precise, like in the crease if you want to just keep it in a certain area. So let me go ahead. I'm going to speed up this video and I'm going to show you me applying my makeup with all these brushes. Okay, so that is what my makeup looks like completed. It's like really hard because the lighting's so bad in here. Okay, so that's a little bit better. I turned on my ring light. So that's what it looks like completed. Of course, I don't have anything on my lips right now, but once you're done, you just put all your brushes into this little makeup holder. It fits everything really, really well, and I love that it does have that carrying case so I can keep them all together. But for the brushes, they work pretty good. They pretty much average with any other brush. They kind of remind me more of like e.l.f. From the drugstore kind of brushes, but I can pretty much get any brush to work. No matter, like, I have high end and I have like more budget friendly makeup brushes, and they all pretty much work the same. Like, I have the It Cosmetic brushes. Like, I have a ton of brushes. Like, this is like a $50 brush, and to me, I can still, like, my makeup looks the same as if I use that brush. So really, really good. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.